In this video, I'll teach you how to use DeepL in less than 5 minutes. But before we continue, consider subscribing to my channel where I post one weekly free video. So with that said, let's get to it. In here, we're going to be working with this article in French, since my current set is from Spanish to French, Spanish being my native language and French being my target language. So let's go and work with this article, and we're going to go first and select this sentence. So copy it, Control C or Command C. So copy it, and I'm going to go to DeepL. This is the software, the desktop application. So select it. Once you get it installed, it's got a very simplified interface. You got the source language and you got your target language. So I'm gonna go with French and Spanish. So I'm gonna paste it in here, and here you got the results or the translation. What can we do from here? In here, we're going to go and select this word. This, once you click it, you'll get a different set of different words. In case you're not familiarized with the word combination or combination, you can select, for example, conjugación, which is very similar to that word. And this will allow you to be much more acquainted with the sentence. It's actually very useful in case you don't have a very vast vocabulary. So what else is next? I'm going to select again the French sentence, and I'm going to DeepL Write. It should be on the right side here where I have the mouse. So select it. In here, what can we do in here? Paste the word or the sentence, and you can start making a few adjustments to the sentence. So the first thing you can do in here is to change the writing approach. So once you go here and select style, you're going to find different writing approaches. You're going to find, for example, colloquial, professional, but let's just simplify the actual sentence. I'm going to select simple or simple, click it, select apply, and you'll notice that it's got a much more simplified writing approach to the source sentence. What else can we do from here? Let's go back to the article, and I'm going to show you the different assistants that you can find in the same browser. You don't have to, from this point, you won't have to change in between applications, so it's much more effective. I'm going to select again the sentence, and we'll make sure that it's got the DeepL sidebar enabled. How can we do this? Make sure to go to your plugins or the section, click it, and make sure that the DeepL extension is enabled, and this little pin, it's in blue. So once that's done, go back again, and as I said, select the sentence. I'm going to select the extension, paste it, the sentence, give it a few seconds to think, and yeah, there you go. That's all you have to do. So that way you don't have to go in between the application. It's just right in front of you. Let's close that thing again. And the last part that you should know is the actual assistant in the articles. So again, I'm gonna go and select the sentence. You're gonna go and Command C this sentence, but here's the thing: you're gonna go and hit the C 2 times. So you got 1, 2, and you've got the translation right away in here. You can also highlight the thing again, and you're going to find 2 different toggle bars in here. So you're going to go find the translation option here, and you're going to find the DeepL. So I'm going to go first with translation. Give it a few seconds to think, and you're going to find the translation. If I want to improve the writing, again, you're going to go to write, give it a few seconds to think, and that's all you have to do. Again, if you want to change the writing approach, go to styles, just go to simple, and apply it. And yeah, it's the same results, just like the application. As the last little tip that I can give you, again, we're going to go and select the same sentence. We're going to right click it and going to go with translate with DeepL. So give it a few seconds, and it's the same results. It's a very useful application. I find it much more dynamic and much more proactive than, let's say, Google Translate. And I actually basically rely on DeepL at this point. It's very useful, and I highly recommend it. Again, if you want to see the text-based version of this tutorial, I left the subsec in the description. So make sure you go to the description and check the article, and you can read it. So it's way simpler for you if you want to check it out. And yeah, give it a look. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel and drop a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.